Welcome everyone to the Financial Works YouTube channel. Today, we're going to embark on an incredible adventure to understand the purpose of trading. Don't worry if you're new to this, we're going to break it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of what trading is all about. So, what is the purpose of trading? Let's dive right in. The purpose of trading. Imagine trading as a way to make money, like buying and selling, but with a twist. It's a bit like a thrilling adventure where you can't predict every twist and turn. Your main goal is to buy and sell things in a way that hopefully makes you some extra cash. Think of it this way, remember when you were a kid, and you traded your lunchbox snacks with your friends? You had a bag of chips, and your buddy had a cookie. You both wanted to try something different, so you traded. That's a simplified version of what trading is in the grown-up world. But, here's the key difference. In the world of trading, you're not trading snacks, you're trading assets. These assets can be stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities like gold and oil, or even currencies from different countries. People trade these assets with the goal of making a profit. Profit, you ask? It's the money you make when you sell something for more than what you paid for it. Let's say you buy a rare collectible for $100 and sell it to someone else for $150. You've just made a profit of $50. Trading works the same way, but instead of collectibles, you're trading assets. Now, here's where the adventure kicks in. Unlike buying snacks from your friend, you can't always predict what's going to happen in the trading world. It's a bit like gambling in that sense. Market forces are always at play, and they can influence your trading choices. Think of it as a game of chess. You have your moves, but you can't control your opponent's moves. Sometimes, your trading decisions will pay off, and you'll make a profit. Other times, you might face challenges. The key is to be prepared and make smart moves. So, to sum it up, the purpose of trading is to buy and sell assets with the hope of making a profit. But remember, the trading world is a dynamic and unpredictable place. Your goal is to navigate this exciting journey by making informed decisions. Are you ready to continue this trading adventure with us? Great! In the next video, we'll explore how self-determination plays a crucial role in your trading success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more educational content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading!